Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disable hill assist on your Subaru WRX. First, locate the Vehicle Dynamics Control button, typically found near the steering column or on the center console. Make sure your car is parked securely with the engine running. Then, press and hold the VDC button for approximately 5 to 7 seconds. This action will allow you to access the system settings and begin the deactivation process. It's a straightforward procedure that gives you more control over your driving experience. Once you've held the VDC button, your multifunction display will show various system options. You'll need to use the controls on your steering wheel, usually the info or enter buttons, to navigate through these menus. Scroll down until you find an option labeled Hill Start Assist or something similar. This is the specific setting we need to adjust. Take your time to ensure you select the correct option to proceed with disabling the feature. After locating the Hill Start Assist option, select Off or Disable from the available choices. You'll then need to confirm this selection, typically by pressing the Enter button on your steering wheel. The display should show a confirmation message, such as Hill Start Assist Disabled or a similar indicator. This confirms that the system has been successfully turned off, giving you full manual control over your vehicle's behavior on inclines. To verify that Hill Assist is indeed disabled, carefully test your vehicle on a slight incline. You should notice that the brakes do not automatically hold the car. If you ever wish to re-enable the feature, simply repeat these steps and select On or Enable instead. Keep in mind that disconnecting your car's battery might reset this setting, requiring you to disable it again. Enjoy your enhanced driving control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.